Here's a quick waffle stitch pattern. It is worked over a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1, and in this case I'm doing 6 repeats, so that's going to be 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 1, 19, and I've added a selvage stitch at each edge, so that's 21 stitches. So I've casted on 21 stitches in this example. It's also worked over 4 rows. So we'll work 4 rows and then just keep repeating those 4 rows to make the pattern. Here's the back. Let's get started. Row 1. Knit the selvage stitch. We're going to be knitting all the selvage stitches. So the first repeat is over those 3 stitches, and it's going to be a purl 1, knit 2, and we just repeat those 3 stitches all the way across to the last stitch. Purl 1, knit 2. And on the last stitch, we purl 1. And then of course the selvage stitch is just a knit stitch. Row 2, I'm going to knit that selvage stitch again. And we'll do a knit 1, purl 2, and repeat those 3 stitches. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, and the last stitch will be a knit 1, and of course knitting the selvage stitch. Row 3, knit the selvage stitch, purl 1, knit 2, At the end we purl 1 and knit the selvage stitch. Row 4, which is also the last row in this pattern, we'll knit that selvage stitch, and we're going to knit across. From there we just repeat again rows 1 through 4.